Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're talking about how to sign up for Manus.im, the AI account. So first guys, of course, log into this website. That's the official site. You'll see a slick homepage with a video and try Manus button under it. Click that. Manus is invite only right now, so you can't just sign up. Instead, hit apply for access to join the waitlist. You'll need a Google or Apple account to log in. No email options yet. And also, as you can see, as of now, you will need a referral code, the invitation code, to be able to sign up. After that, guys, step 2, submit your request. After logging in, enter your email and explain why you want to join Manus. Be specific, say something like, I'm a marketer needing automated ad copy, or I want to analyze stock trends. The more detailed, the better. They manually review these and vague answers might get skipped. Now, play the waiting game. If approved, you will need to get an email with an invitation code. Could take days or weeks due to high demand. Posts on X say some folks score codes faster by joining Manus' Discord and engaging there, so try that to bump your chances. Step 4. Once you've gotten the code, go back to Manus, log in again, and enter where it's prompted. Boom, your account's live. You can start exploring Manus' autonomous magic, like generating reports or planning trips. Test it out if it's the hype for yourself. That's how you create a Manus AI account. Very, very easy if you have the code. And guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe for more AI tips. See you next time.